Sleeping all day, sleeping. Hey y'all, it's Adrian.Caprice here. Y'all, this piece ain't got me in a chokehold, but today we're doing a fitness vlog. Okay, so can y'all see me? Of course y'all can see me. It is 12:49, almost 1 o'clock. So we got up this morning, we went and got our groceries. I've already started meal prepping my food, but I'm actually in the mood to go work out. Well, really, I'm not in the mood to work out, so I'm gonna force myself to work out. And then we're gonna finish meal prepping, and so then we might go to the beach today also. So I'm just gonna take you guys with me. Yeah, so this room is a hot mess. I want to kind of like straighten up in here, get ready to go to the gym, and then get myself ready. But I'm about to actually get ready for the gym because I want to film maybe like a few TikTok. I was complaining on my Instagram about how I feel like they're like the type of content that I like to watch is like vlogs and I like to watch workout stuff, but I was realizing that there aren't any like black fitness influencers on YouTube. Like I mean, I don't know of them, maybe they haven't come across my feed, but like when I actually searched on YouTube black fitness YouTuber, black fitness content creator, it wasn't coming up. Like nobody, I mean, a few girls came up and I subscribed to their channels and I actually like their content, but I was talking about it on Instagram and people were like, create the space, create the content that you want to watch. I feel like a lot of black women are in the fitness space, like, and if there is, there may be 1 or 2 chocolate drops, you know, or black girls that you see, and we gonna change that. Look at me looking how I'm looking. I look a little better. I want to do like a full beat, because then it's like, all right girl, you're doing too much.
Seeing them crosses, they get it. The snipers there with me and tripping.
So we made it. My gloves on, got my phone, and I got you guys. So we're actually gonna do a full body. I don't know if I said that, but so the first exercise we're gonna do is jump rope. So we're gonna do 3 sets of jump rope. We're gonna do some box squats, wall slams, weighted squats, lunges, rows, and then also some push-ups and pull-ups. Well, I can't really do pull-ups yet, but scalpel pull-ups. So yeah, I like to get into it. I hate recording. There's a lot of people in here, but I'm gonna do it for y'all. And I really don't have a specific playlist that I like to listen to, but it's this one by Apple Music. It's called Hip Hop Workout Playlist. So I just put that one on shuffle.
I want to see you work out for me, work out for me. I want to see work out for me, work out for me.
be spilling out. So just make sure you tighten the back. I have this 12-pound ball. Slam it down, and then you're gonna come up. I'm gonna show you. The next workout we're gonna do is squats.
Work out for me, work out for me. I want to see you work out for me, work out for me.
She moved out of state, shit that went left, she seeking forgiveness. She used to dance, but she went alone and started a business. Her daddy is not around, her mama is not around. I watch her climb to the top of the pole and then get to sliding down. I make it rain in this bitch, I make it snow in this bitch. She tryna get out of the mix. Shawty is going legit, Shawty is going legit. Me, I'm supporting this shit. This is a story, it came from my life, and I'm just recording this shit. I'ma just give it to you direct instead of me throwing this shit. You know you important this shit. You know I'm supporting this shit. We used to do pornos when you would come over, but now you got morals and shit. I got like 4 on the wrist and an adorable kid. I got a Drake in the studio, and I don't just mean that I'm in this bitch. Please make the most of this shit. Don't just come close to some shit. I give you this bread, you rub me some head, and then you go blow up a bit. She moved out of state, shit that went left, she seeking forgiveness. She used to dance, but she went alone and started up a business. Her daddy is not around, my mama is not around.
Okay, so I'm pretty much done with my workout. I have 5 more minutes left. I want us to do a 45-minute workout, so I'm going to jump rope for the next 5 minutes, and then stretch, and then make my TikToks. I'm gonna let y'all watch me make my TikToks. It might be a little cringy, but whatever.
Out of town, they hop in this whip and they ride around. I was the climb to the top of the pole and they get to sliding. Thought about trapping a player before, but that just ain't right. Look in the mirror if you wanna look at some things on the bright side. You pot a 325, you feeling too good to worry tonight. She moved out of state and shit that went left, she seeking forgiveness. She used to dance, but she went alone and started up a business. Her daddy is not around, my mama is not around.
So I'm in this little fitness room. It's such an echo in here, but I'm about to stretch. I've been trying to get into stretching lately because baby, I am not as flexible as I used to be, and I want to get back to that. Y'all, so I broke the jumpsuit already. I can't see it, hold on. Oh, I want to show y'all my little TikTok. I did one like 5 times, and then did the other one. It took me like 3 times to do. I want to.
That's what they saying. Who said that?
I did this one.
Okay, well, that's you. But on the other hand, me? Oh, I'm gonna turn up.
Okay, I'm gonna do this one. Baby, why my eyes look hazy? I don't like it. Okay, I like this one.
That's what they saying. That's what they saying. Who said?
Okay, I'm gonna do it one more time. One more time. This is so cringy, but whatever.
That's what they saying.
I'm about to put my AirPods in and give me a deep stretch. working out. Make sure you disinfect your phone and stuff, because my phone was stinky. So disinfect your phone when you're done working out. But I'm about to make me a protein shake, because I haven't eaten anything all day but a freaking croissant. That's all I ate today. I make me a blueberry protein shake, and then I ended up making some ceviche with cod and shrimp, and so that's been cooking for about 2 hours, honestly. And then yeah, so that's been cooking for about 2 hours, and then I'm going to check on that, and then I'm going to meal prep some other stuff just so I can have some food throughout the week. I don't know why my boyfriend bought these chips, man. These little puffs are so good. I'm gonna make a blueberry smoothie, protein shake. Why I keep saying smoothie? Yeah, I had these blueberries for an entire week and they're still fresh. I seen a tip on TikTok is you put paper towel underneath after you finish washing them and they stay fresher for longer. I'm gonna put the rest of this Greek yogurt in here to make it like smooth. I usually put banana in there, but I don't feel like tasting banana today. Like, I really don't like banana, but I put it in the smoothie so it can be creamy. And I'm gonna add this almond milk. This is not my favorite, but this is what we got. This is the protein powder I use. It's the Garden of Life Sport. For some reason, I don't know if it was what I was mixing this with, but when I first started using it, it would make my stomach hurt. And then I started back and I'm all good, so I don't know what that's about, but it needs some ice. Much better. So we're gonna make some chia seed kind of pudding today. So it's gonna be like some blueberry chia seed pudding. I'm gonna let that do its thing for a couple of hours, and then I'm actually gonna make some yogurt parfaits with chia seed pudding on top. And then we're gonna make some green juice with cabbage, 3 cucumbers, 2 apples, and ginger. This whole thing of ginger, I love ginger. Oh my god. And then I'm gonna cook some salmon that I have in there, just probably for a dinner or lunch or something. But yeah, I'm about to go freshen up, take a shower, and then we're gonna start meal prepping. Alright, so I'm all showered and dressed from my workout. I'm actually about to start my meal prep. So first we're gonna do the chia seed pudding. And I'm gonna watch some YouTube actually while I do this. And I'm gonna just let you guys watch me meal prep. So yeah, let's go.
Sleeping all day, cheaping, rolling, 50, okay, about to lose it. Body on fire, who love me long till you get tired. Ooh, baby, you got what you's a real one, I'm inspired. Baby, when the lights is, put that game on, and do it all right here, baby, nice and slow. Take me, when the lights is, put that game on, and do it all right here, nice and slow.
Okay, y'all, so I'm only gonna juice the cucumber, the apple, and then the ginger because there was like some little worms, maggots in the cabbage, and I almost threw up. So I just threw it all in the garbage. Like, I can't, like, that means that it was rotten, right? From what I know, it means that it was rotten and we don't want to eat that. So I'm kind of mad because I should have stuck with my celery like I always do. But girl, yeah, we still finna juice.
When you touch me, body, you ain't second stupid. The body on fire, who love me long till you get tired. I think I like how your body feels next to me. Oh baby, when you're kissing me. Oh baby, when you're loving me.
off from Amazon. Of these leggings, they're like so buttery soft. But yeah, so I'm gonna do an arm day. Like what day am I? I think I want to do chest. I'm gonna wear this and put my hoodie on top. I'm gonna do chest, tricep, and then I'm gonna walk on the treadmill. So yeah, I just have my hair in these. What's this? A twist up. Yeah, so I did a twist out last night. And I'm gonna take it down today. It's dry. I did it with mousse and it's dry. But which I'm so surprised about because my hair sometimes on the copper and something else. But I get natural hair and like working on stuff like that, so it's such a struggle. Like I don't know if like I want to show you my hair one day or if I want to keep it curly. Child, who knows? But we're about to go work out, y'all. This shit is tight. Like, oh my god, you guys, this is tight. Okay, that's much better. I ate it last night for dinner and I'm gonna eat this for my lunch. And then I'll probably eat it a little bit tonight for dinner, plus with something else. But yeah, so this is a lot of protein. I don't know exactly how much protein, but it's a lot of shrimp, it's a lot of fish in here. So yeah. Along with the ceviche, I'm gonna pair some tortilla chips. I usually like the Siete brand chips because they're gluten-free, they're grain-free. These are gluten-free, but they're not grain-free. But we're still gonna use them because that's what I got. And then as a snack, I'm gonna take these salt and pepper pistachios. They are so good.